Just show you how to replace the crappy flapper on the ball cock. Now we're gonna adjust the shank mango apparatus. Alright, you can get your hands a little dirty on this one. You want to get in there. Ugh. Don't mind all the slime. There'll be a lot of slime. It's normal. Give it a flush. And while it's low, just put a new flappy on the crapper. Now you gotta quickly get in there while it's low. Shove this. There we go. Yeah. So then you can get the lid on the crapper. And everybody's gonna be happy after that. Stops too soon. And you just wait. You wait. And getting up to the top. That stops it. Oh! No! Gotta watch the splatter. Yeah, perfect. A little higher. I like to get it up as high as I can, because you take a big one and you're gonna want that little bit of extra. Forget that line there. Go all the way to the top. And you make sure every crap goes down. There you go. Right to the line. A little bit more, start flooding over. But Ole Burt Muston says this is better for a little overflow in the back here. You see a little overflow, and just screw it back a little bit. Better overflow here than out here with your crap all flowing down, and then it seeps through the ceiling. You don't want that. Much better waste a little water and it just goes down the pipe. This is Burt Muston with another toilet. I don't know.